So guys, as you know, I'm in Harar and today is a new day. Right now we have to take bus from Harar to Jigjiga and this is the place where I'm staying at. So I paid around 1000 Indian rupees for this because the room had hot water. So in Ethiopia, if you want to access a room for hot water, it's like $4 or $5 extra. If you are comfortable with cold water, you can get $5 cheaper. So anyways, let's start our journey. Let's take auto to Jigjiga bus station, then we reach Jigjiga, then we go Bachale, and we are going to Africa's newest, not just Africa, world's newest recognized independent nation. Make a guess. So we are going there. I have been there before. That time it was not recognized, but now things have changed. So anyways, let's go to bus station and then I start my journey. And it's so cold in Harar, guys. It's so cold in Harar. I swear to God, I'm wearing sweater again. So let's go and let's try to explore this region and take bus to Jigjiga. Guys, auto drivers in this town, they are cheating too much. When they see face of a foreigner, they're like 300, 400. Jesus. Guys, I'm in bus finally and they are talking something in a very loud voice. I don't know what. But bus is almost full. This is going to Jigjiga. Then from Jigjiga we have to change bus again to Bachale. How much? Yeah, transport. How much? Within few kilometers we have stopped at so many checkpoints. It's crazy. Like more than 6 or 7 within 10 kilometers. They're stopping after every 10 minutes.
Salam,
How are you?
I'm fine.
Fine?
Yes,
Are you Somali?
I'm Somali
From Jigjiga.
from Jijjiga.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, my sister.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So guys, this is the place where we took the ticket from Jigjiga to Bachale. Marhaba bus station. This is good quality bus which will go very fast. Last time I went in a local one. So this is 100-150 bit extra, but it's good. So let's go. Say salam. Hello. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Also. So we are going now to eat food. So let's do that. This is, guys, Jigjiga town. Also changed a lot. I don't remember anything anymore. But today we are going to Hargeisa, Somaliland. Okay. So guys, we have shiro, pasta and salad and bread and injera.
This is our daily food.
Daily food? Okay. Nice. Habesha food, guys.
The best.
Yeah. We are having today Habesha lunch. After that we take our bus to Achale, then cross the border. Yeah, let's start.
That one is the best.
So guys, I'm in bus and it's afternoon 1:30 and today we are traveling to one of the world's newest recognized nation. Can you make a guess? Okay, let me tell you, it is Somaliland. So last month, Israel recognized it as a nation, and since then there have been a lot of issues around Horn of Africa. Borders have been shut down. Djibouti, Somaliland are fighting, so things like that. But anyways, we are crossing the land border. So from Djibouti, we came by train to Ethiopia by land. Now Ethiopia to Somaliland by land, and then one more adventure which I'll tell you in next coming episodes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Salam. So let's go Wachale, the border crossing, and we enter Hargeisa.
لا رقيصة
Hargeisa.
والله
Wallah.
جد
لا رقيصة وتوقي
الحقيقة متى؟
إنديا
هندي قد
Hind.
هندي وسلام
Hindi. Salam. Hey, he's saying salam to every Indian. Nice.
أخبارك قط
بس نقمر
The check post right behind us,
بس وين
and we had to open all our bags and get it checked. I think this will happen 1 or 2 times more. It's crazy. Already 2 times in one day, and I think more 2 times. That's the most difficult part about traveling this side.
بس وين
I'm tired already, you see. But let's hope for the best. Let's hope today we can exit. It's been because of the new recognition, all the rules have been changed and already delayed in the trip for 10 days. So let's go. These are my bags, and I'm about to go to immigration, and I'll continue my video after that. Bachale in a Bajaji now, and we are going to immigration between Ethiopia and Somaliland. Let's go.
باي
Thank you. My friend. I have no time. It's 3 p.m. and he's doing late. Let's go. Guys, we finally have Ethiopia's exit stamp. This is my bag with this guy. And now we are trying, India. Now, now we are trying to enter Somaliland. Let's go. Ethiopia, yeah. This is the border area, guys. Border zone. So cool. Almost the immigration are not far away, but I have too many bags, see? So I'm not able to carry today.
ويلكم مرحبا
Thank you.
مرحبا
Hi.
الى working مرحبا
Marhaba. Thank you.
ثانك يو مصطفى مصطفى مصطفى
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Bus or taxi?
No. Bus.
Bus.
He says $6.
Wow.
Yeah.
One person like that.
Okay. $6. Yeah. So guys, finally we have done the immigration. It was very smooth. Now opposite to the immigration there is a bus counter. So I'm taking ticket for Hargeisa, which is $6. And Samia is paying this ticket because I don't have change right now. I only have $100. So we are waiting for Samia to send money. Then I go to Hargeisa. Guys, these are SIM card online payment.
Come.
Okay, let's go.
Welcome to Marhaba.
Thank you.
مرحبا
Hey, Jesus. My goodness.
Welcome Marhaba.
Guys, this is crazy.
صوص
Oh. Okay, okay. Jesus. Okay.
Ciao.
Ciao,
Bye,
ciao.
bye, bye,
Bye, bye.
Thank you. Bye, bye.
Have a good day. Have a good day.
Thank you. Wow. We are finally in bus. And visa was quite easy. Actually, the person who gave me the stamp, he was like, I remember you. You come here before. I was like, yeah, during Corona. He said, yeah, you were a baby, like a child that time. I was like, yes, 21 or 22. My goodness, even after 5 years, they remembered me. And even the lady officer who gave me visa in Addis Ababa, she was like, hey, you are back again. Yes, back again. So guys, even this one at Charlie border, he was like, I think I remember you. You came here before. Like, yes. After 4 years, they still remember. That's crazy. Guys, we are finally in Hargeisa, and I don't remember if this was the same bus station that used my video for their ad on the Facebook, maybe another one, but the service is quite good. In Somaliland, buses are very better and very fast. So we are trying to now get taxi, and Samya told me to come home, so that's so kind of her. Last time also she hosted me. This time I told her it's okay, hotel or whatever, no problem. So she's like, no, come home. Thank you so much to her. I mean, really, and I got cold. I cannot speak right now. Is okay? What she say? No, 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 you. I make it for me. Yeah. She tell you? So guys, this is the taxi, and it's sunset time in Hargeisa. These are the streets of Hargeisa, guys. And right now I am without hijab. I am the only woman here without hijab. I should buy hijab tomorrow because it's not really possible to walk around in Hargeisa without headscarf. Huh? You see, is me. Yeah, is no you. So we should go, and Samya is sending me address because I forgot. Let's see. Guys, Hargeisa, oh my goodness, I'm so thankful to Samya. She makes everything so easy. Wow. Samya and Myasa are like sisters to me, one from Sudan, one from Somaliland. So kind of them, I swear to God. So all good. Hargeisa, guys, let's go. Need to buy hijab. Wallahi, need to buy hijab. I did not have hijab this time in my bag. I have one, but it's not so good.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
Hind. India. Hey. So guys, Hargeisa almost is same like before with little more new buildings, but not a big difference. This area, yeah, I remember I came here 1 or 2 times for bus station, and yeah, that's about it. I will go tomorrow to change money, buy SIM card and do all those things. Hargeisa, and I just reached the home of Samya, and she already prepared dinner. You see, this is the dinner, and she remember I'm vegetarian, so it's completely vegetarian. She'll come home at night 10 o'clock. Right now it's around 7, so I'm having dinner right now. Let's have Somali injera and misar. This is the second day but the same video. Right now I am going outside on the streets to get some change for my $100. So in Hargeisa, Somaliland, you can use local currency and dollars both. Today I am planning to change just the dollars. Later I can change the local currency if we need more. So local currency is too much, it's not easy to carry. Last time I did to make video, but let's see this time, because it's going to be a very short trip this time in Somaliland. I'm not staying for 1 month, which I did last time. I stayed in this country 1 month and 11 days. 11 days were like my visa was expired, so I had to pay the fine. So these are the streets of Hargeisa. A lot has changed. Many things are similar, but something which I noticed is that in this area there are a lot more shops than what it was 4 years back. So, and this scarf is not cotton, so it's keep going back. There are a lot more shops around this street now than 4 years ago. And did I tell you, the immigration officer in Vachale border, he was like, hey, I remember you. You came here before when you were a child. I was like, yeah, when I was 21-year-old, I was here, or 22. Now I'm 26. So let's go, let's change, have some juice or something and sit around in the market area. That's it for today. I took a very good rest. So guys, I got some change from Telesom Bank or office. This is right behind me, so this is easy to use now. Let me put it in the bag and we go drink something.
Hello.
Say welcome to Somaliland.
Somaliland. Welcome to Somaliland.
Thank you, shukran.
you.
Hey,
Somaliland وانت
good. Right.
I love you Somaliland.
Thank you.
I love you Somaliland. محمد هرقيسة.
बढ़िया भाई, ये लोग चलते चलते मिले थे.